More reactions coming in from FICCI members on Narendra Modi's speech. Listen in.
It was their AGM and they had invited Mr. Modi to speak, and he shared absolutely on the subject areas in which he has worked and his beliefs on the role of women. And there were some excellent examples of what he has achieved in terms of women empowerment in Gujarat. Everything from property rights to the way women are participating, rural women as well.
Panchayati Raj bill has been passed by Bihar, by Madhya Pradesh, by Rajasthan. So many states have given 50%, and I think if the governors are holding the bill, then certainly the central government should be held responsible for that. But nothing stops Gujarat Parliament, State Assembly, and we will also ask for a step taken by the State Assembly of Gujarat to pass the Women Reservation Bill, not only in terms of giving representation in Panchayati Raj institution, which almost 3/4 of the states have done in the country, but also to pass this as a representation to be 1/3 in the State Assembly of Gujarat. Gujarat can take lead on that.
And here's a quick look at what some of Modi's colleagues in the BJP thought about his speech.
भी राजनेता है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, और उसके जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है वो देश की जनता है। अब देश की कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी को आप चाहे युवा में बांटे, चाहे महिलाओं में बांटे, चाहे ट्राइबल्स में बांटे, चाहे बिजनेस कम्युनिटी में बांटे, चाहे स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स में बांटे, उन सब कम्युनिटीज को वो एड्रेस करते हैं। और पूरा देश और पूरे देश की जनता जिस भी तरीके के लोगों की है, चाहे वो ट्राइबल्स की हो, चाहे वो शेड्यूल ट्राइब की हो, उन सब के बीच में वो जाते हैं। तो हर एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के बीच में जाते हैं।